Today we're going to make not one, not two, but three, not three, but 4 Legos. Well, because the first one, it's just 2 pieces, you can really just make it. Oh, I forgot. I need to get some models of these. Just wait for a few seconds. Or minutes. Okay, so I've got the models. I'll show you them. I'll just put them right here first. So let's start with these 2. We're making 4. This is the first one. We need just 2 pieces to make this. Well, the models might be different colors. Well, it doesn't matter. So this would actually be this. Yeah. So yeah. Yep. And then we'll get some. We need 2 of them again. These. Excuse me. Gas or something. Yeah, that. Which is really this. Huh. Well, that was easy. And then we need some blue pieces. Attach them like this. And then we have to make this. Oh, if you want to know what we're making, what 4 Legos we're making Legos out of Legos. And then if you don't have another full of these, just use 2 of these. Put one. I didn't have enough. I don't think I had another, so I just put these 2. So if you don't have it, you take these 2. And the real Lego of it is this. It's a different color. It doesn't matter. Got a few more. If you don't have these, then use 1 piece that doubles them. It doubles them, right? Well, we need to put that there. And then there. And we'll just put like this first. And then put next. And we'll put this there. Yeah, there. You can use any color you want for this. Warm color or cool. I'll just put like this first and then do it. Oh yeah. Like that. Oh, I don't think it's like that. Oh yeah, it's like this. I forgot. And then we put this here. And then we have put this here and this here. Oh, you see the gaps? I had to do it for this and this to attach. I had to do it for this and this to attach. The bottom to attach. So we just have 2 of these. So we'll put this one here and this one here. I made a colorful one. Well, the real ones are same color. You can do it whatever color you want. It's not against the law to do the same color. So the real one is this. You see? Because this is two of this, like how this and this is two of this. You see? I have to attach them together. Yeah, it covers up half of this. Okay, so let me first show you the ones we did. This, and this. Now I'll show you the real ones. This, and this. Okay, so thank you for watching this video today. Please subscribe and hit the like, and I'll see you in the next video.